Hi, good afternoon, dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVM School, Harinwara Camp. Dear friends, this is part 2 video for the 5th standard, 3rd chapter playing with numbers. Dear children, already we have discussed in our yesterday class factors. What does that mean by factors? And find out the factors of given numbers. The content we have already studied in our today class. We have to discuss about the second content regarding this chapter is multiples. Multiples. What do you mean by multiples? Multiples are the numbers which can be divide the given numbers. Here multiples, suppose example C is definition of this one. The numbers which can be divisible by given numbers. Yes, given numbers. Given number is called multiples. Suppose example 1. Write the first three multiples of 2. Dear children, you know that multiples of 2, first 3 they are asking. Yes, solution for this one is 2 into 1 is equals to 2, then 2 into 2 is equals to 4, then 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Here these two, 4 and 6, these are the first 3 multiples of 2. Example 2, dear children, write the first 4 multiples of 4. Write the first 4 multiples of 4 means we need to write the multiples of 4. Yes, that is 4 into 1 is equals to 4, first multiple. Then 4 into 2 is equals to 8, second multiple. Then 4 into 3 is equals to 12, third multiple. Then 4 into 4 is equals to 16. Yes, dear children, let us see. Here 4, 8, 12 and 16. These are the first 4 multiples of 4. Example 3, dear children. Yes, write the first 5 multiples of 6. Here 6. We need to write first 5 multiples of 6. Let us see, dear children. Yes, 6 into 1 is equals to 6, first multiple. 6 into 2 is equals to 12, second multiple. Then 6 into 3 is equals to 18, third multiple. 6 into 4 is equals to 24, fourth multiple. Then, dear children, 6 into 5 is equals to 30, fifth multiple. Then sixth multiple. 6 into 5 they are asking. Okay, this is enough. Here they are asking only 5 means yes, first multiple 6, second multiple 12, third multiple 18, fourth multiple 24, then fifth multiple 30. Yes, we have to write like this. If they can ask write the multiples of 5, yes, we need to write like this. Okay, dear children, let us see few more example for this one. Third example. Yes, that is fourth example. Write the first write the first four multiples of 7. Here write the first four multiples of 7. Yes, 7. 7 into 1 is equals to 7 first multiple. 7 into 2 is equals to 14 second multiple. 7 into 3 is equals to 21 is third multiple. Then 7 into 4 is equals to 28 fourth multiple. These are the 7, 14, 21 and 8, 28. These are the first four multiples of the 7. Example 5, dear children. Write the first four multiples of 11. Yes, here 11. Here we need to write the first four multiples of 11 years. Yes, that is 11 into 1 is equals to 11. Then 11 into 2 is equals to 22. Second multiple. 11 into 3, 33. Third multiple. 11 into 4, 44. This is the fourth multiple. Here 11, 22, 33 and 44. These are the multiples of 11. Example 6, dear children. Write the first four multiples of 15. Yes, here write the first four multiples of 15 they are asking. Yes, 15 into 1 is equals to 15. 15 into 2 is equals to 30. Then 15 into 3 is equals to 45. Then 15 into 4 is equals to 60. Yes, 15 into 4 is equals to 15 for the 60. Yes, 60. These are the 15, 30, 45, 60. These are the multiples of 15. Like this, dear children, we have to write the multiples of given. If they can ask 5 or 10 or 4 or 3 or 2, whatever the multiples they can ask, you have to write the multiples. Here already I told the multiples is nothing but the numbers which can be divisible by given number. Just say here given number is 7. Here multiples are 7, 14, 21 and 28. These numbers should be divisible by 7. Let us see. Suppose, dear children, suppose the first one, for the first one case. Yes, here first I will take up 7. 7 by 7. 7 and the 7 is cancel. Completely remainder 0. Quotient is 1. Then 14. 14 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are get cancel. Yes, 14 also divisible by 7. Then 21. 21 by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are get cancel. Quotient 3 remainder 0. It is also 21 also completely divisible by 7. Then 28. Yes, 28 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 fours are. Yes, quotient is 4. It is also completely divisible by 4. Yes, so it is also completely divisible by 7. This 28 is also multiple of that 7. Like this, dear children, here also 11. Here 22. 22 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11, 2s are 22. Yes, here quotient is 2. Quotient is 2, remainder 0. I mean 22 is completely divisible by 11. 33. Yes, 33. 33 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11, 3s are completely cancelled. Quotient 0. Quotient is 3, remainder 0. 33 is completely divisible by 11. That's it. 33 is a multiple of 11. Like this, dear children, we have to decide that the given number as multiples, all the given multiples of the number are not. We need to check it. Just you have to divide the given numbers by that given number. Multiples with by devise that multiple number, then automatically you will get that answer. These are the regarding to the multiples. Then remaining class we have to discuss remaining content regarding to the playing with numbers this chapter. Thanking you all. Bye, dear children.